Ford sales numbers, how the EV shift continues, Volvo halts output, and we'll tell you about the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. Welcome to Auto News Now. Coming up, we have the latest trends and headlines for you. But first, our lead story. Ford sales numbers are in. U.S. light vehicle deliveries rose 4.8% last month, above the range of forecasts, for a 3.6% and 4.6% gain, making Ford Motor deliveries rise by double digits, compared with August 2021. This comes as the industry's chronic inventory shortages slowly ease. The market was also helped by an extra selling day and higher fleet shipments. This marks the first monthly gain year over year since 2021. Ford says demand remains strong, with retail orders for 2023 model vehicles. The shift to an EV future continues. With that comes big changes in the latest EV push. One automaker moves towards that future. Toyota plans to convert engine plants to battery factories. The company says it will convert its Shimoyama and Myokai engine factories to be upgraded to also turn out batteries for electric vehicles. It's all part of a $5.6 billion investment plan. Battery production will be handled through Prime Plan Energy and Solutions, a joint venture between Toyota and Panasonic. The plant conversions suggest Toyota will use existing plants and workers and try to manage a controlled evolution. Volvo will halt output at its Chengdu factory. The automaker is stopping production of the S60L and XC60 as the Chinese city enters a COVID lockdown. Volvo will temporarily close the plant. The moves intensify the challenges for China to minimize the economic impact of a dynamic zero COVID policy. The company says it's assessing the impact of the business and will continue to monitor the situation. You can read more on these stories in our newsletter, The Daily. To subscribe, go to the More section of our website and click on Newsletters on the left side of the screen. Get ready for a hefty sticker price for the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS. It arrives in stores this fall. The full-size electric SUV will be available in 3 variants. The EQS starts at just over $100,000. It's the third model based on Mercedes' EV A2 architecture for upper market segments. The SUV delivers up to 536 horsepower and is powered by a 107.8 kilowatt-hour battery. There's some fun news for Ford. The automaker will hold the Best Staying Decade event, a costume contest at the Stampede. Mustang fans will compete for a chance at an all-new Ford Mustang GT lease and will get their first glimpse of the next generation model on September 14th and celebrate 6 generations of Mustang. That's all we have today for Auto News Now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great holiday weekend, and I'll see you all next time.